heiki. Heiki is mean coolness or calmness. Coolness or calmness. The kanji he. The kanji of he is mean that steadily, and that mean no. It just steadily, no down or no up, right? So it just goes straight on, no turn left, no turn right. And the kanji ki is mean the mind or the mood or the feeling. So that means you just your feeling just steady, and that means you don't feel up or down, something like that. So in the case like this, we can translate to be like coolness or calmness. That means you just the person who don't feeling up or down, just feel the same, right? So, and in here we have the sentence like 私は3日間寝なくとも平気だった。私は3日間寝なくとも平気だった。私 is mean I, and 3日間。3日間 is mean 3 days. 寝なくとも。寝なく is from the word 寝る or 寝ます。寝る or 寝ます is mean sleeping. But when you change to be the negative form, it can be like 寝ない。So we change to be like 寝なくとも is mean you haven't slept. You didn't sleep. Right? So 寝なくても平気だった。平気だった is mean you still be coolness or you still be calmness. So in this tense, it means that I was fine without sleeping for 3 days. I was fine without sleeping for 3 days. 3日間寝なくとも is mean that you didn't sleep. You didn't sleep for 3 days, but your feeling or your mind still be coolness, no change, no angry, right? No angry or no good, no angry. So you just feel the same. So you can say like heiki datta. This means you can control your mood. You can control yourself. Even you didn't sleep for 3 days.